Hey guys, what's up? Magpapalit tayo ng kingpin. Yung kingpin, hari ng king. Ito yung NPR ng Isuzu. Disc brake, siya yung kingpin. Ito, yung pin dito sa kanyang I-beam. Yun natin papalitan kasi malaki yung movement. Unahin natin itong caliper. Secure natin siya doon. It's a bit hard to remove. Gamit tayo ng puller. So, okay na. Tanggal na siya. There it is. Okay, thanks puller. Mahirapan tayo. There you go. So, okay na yung disc. Tanggal na. Linisin natin itong knuckle. Yan. Okay. Ito yung ABS sensor niya. Tapos yung kanyang bracket. Okay. Yun. Wow, tigas. Wow. Okay. Tanggal. Yun. Never been done. Never been replaced. Never been removed. That's why it's a little bit tight. Dito naman. Itong isang ito. It's turning. There we go. Wow. Kapag talaga wala kang power tools and you are just working at home, it is really complicated to do the job. Really hard. So ito yung tatanggalin natin guys. This thing, meron siyang pin. Yun yung sinasabing kingpin. Yun natin papalitan. So this is it guys. Everything is disconnected. So if you would hear yung nako, that knock should be like zero, as in zero. So that's where we're going to replace. Meron siyang dalawang grease nipples, which is this one. Tanggalin natin yan dahil meron tayong bago included sa kit. Nasa kit. So tanggalin to. Tsaka ito. Ang liit lang niya, so tiny. And then susunod natin gagawin ay itong yung lock. Ito yung pinakang lock niya ng pin. Oops, tanggalin natin itong lock na to. So tanggalan natin yung nut. Ngayon pupush natin yung bolt palabas para matanggal natin ito ng tuluyan. Yun. Okay. Kaya pinakang lock. Yun, ito siya. And then matatanggal natin itong, oh my god, it's hard. Medyo mahirap siya, medyo seized. Lumubog na ng konti yung kingpin. Tumawag na ako ng saklolo kay Justin Bieber para tulungan ako. Hawakan mo to. Watch your eyes. Yun. Lumalabas na. Tigas talaga. Ito si King, ang hari ng pin. Taga Kingpin to. Doon sa may Binondo sa Manila. Okay guys, next thing we're going to do is papalitan natin ng bush. Ito meron siyang bush dito na pinipress ko na ngayon. So papalitan natin ng bago. So lagi natin tatandaan, the bushing has a direction. See this one? Right hand. That's meant it's if you are going to use this on the right hand, this should be the top side. Now if you're going to use this for the left hand side, it should be that position. Yan. And then yung hole, ito yung grease nipples. Dapat naka-align siya doon sa hole ng grease nipples para magtitake siya ng grease every time na i-grease yung kanyang kingpins. Yun, tanggal na ang ating bushing. So, galing siya sa left hand, dapat ito yung nasa taas. So, ganyan position. Ayan, left hand, so ganyan position. Okay, and then ila-line up natin yung butas, the hole. So, the grease nipple, ito, dito. So, dapat naka-line up yan dyan. Which is like this way. Pero, before that, apply natin ng konting grease. Para ano siya, madaling ipasok. Let's apply a little bit of grease. Dito rin. Ito. Ilagay na natin to. Yawn. Ganun lang oh. Pwede ko naman siyang i-hammer na lang. Kaso lang ayaw kong i-hammer. Ayaw kong pukpukin. Gusto ko yung magandang trabaho. Gusto ko yung the best na trabaho. Alright. Oh. Line that up. You know, naka-line up na siya. Dapat naka-level siya sa surface na to. Kunti pa. There we go. Okay, done. Hopefully it's all right. Tanggalin natin. You know, naka-fix properly oh. Ang galing. Okay na mga guys. So ito na guys, assemble na natin. So unahin natin tong sa baba. So nakalagay na yung bearing sa baba. Ito yung kanyang roller bearing. And then lagyan natin dito. Makikita nyo yung laki ng shim na kailangan natin gamitin. So what we're going to do is push this up. And this point, lalagyan natin siya ng jack dito para makuha natin yung pinakang clearance dito ng shim. So what we're going to do is straight away, lalagyan natin ng jack dito para lumapat agad yung kanyang bearing. So wala nang magiging space dito. Dito na tayo magko-concentrate sa taas. So gumamit ako ng jack and this thingy to push this knuckle up para itong bearing at saka yung knuckle ay wala ng gap dito sa side na to. So we are going to concentrate this gap. So guys, ito yung naging clearance ng kanyang kingpin in between the knuckle at saka yung sa I-beam. This thing. Unfortunately, we don't have the shims included onto the kingpin kit. So we're going to reuse these old ones. It's not bad. It's still the same size. I mean, okay pa rin kahit wala tayong bagong shims. So para madali ang buhay, align lang natin siya dito sa taas. Naka-line up na yung shim. So pwede natin i-push yung kingpin pataas. Wow, guys, there's no play whatsoever. Very smooth. Very smooth siya. So lagyan natin yung pin dito, pinakang lock. Lagay na natin yung pin. So dito siya, sa butas, you know. Secure na siya. Lagyan natin ang lock nut. Alright, it's tight. Now, lagyan natin yung kanyang, lagyan natin ang kuhan, grease nipples. Ito dito. Dalawa siya. Yan. Malapit na tayo matapos. Makakaisa na tayo. Ito yung cap sa taas. Dust cap. Tsaka yung kanyang bottom cap. Done. Done. We are done, guys. So we're going to grease it and let's see how it goes. So grasahan natin, guys. There we go. See that? Oh, popped out. Ito naman. There you go. See the grease on top? Perfect. All good. But the thing is, this thing popped out. This is always popping out. We need the G-clamps here. So we need the G-clamps to stay this thing into place. Pero balik na lang natin. Let's put it in again. Itong sakit nitong Isuzu, yung cap na yon, yung dust cap na yon, lagi natatanggal. Alright, wow, very good. No play, smooth, works properly. So this is it, guys. I'm done for today. I'm going to reassemble all of this stuff and then we are done. So thanks for watching my videos and see you next time.